A machine just gave a woman a 5-minute haircut. Yes, a robot, with scissors. I know what you're thinking. I thought it too. You're picturing a blender with a bad attitude. One of those vacuum cleaners that bumps into walls. But this is different. This is something new. Imagine sitting in a chair. You are calm. You are not worried. A robot is about to cut your hair. And you let it happen. It sounds like the beginning of a wild story. But it's a true story. It's happening right now. It makes you wonder, what else can they do? This isn't about scary, take-over-the-world robots. This is about a helper. A very precise, very careful helper. Getting a haircut can be stressful. You have to explain what you want. Sometimes they listen. Sometimes they have their own ideas. We've all been there. We've all walked out with that surprise haircut. You know the one. You smile and say you love it. Then you go home and cry into a pillow. This robot is designed to get it right. Every single time. It's built for one purpose, to give you a good, safe, and maybe even fun haircut. The whole idea started with a simple question. Can we make a difficult task easier? Can we use technology to help people in a new way? The answer is this machine. She stands there, ready to work. She doesn't get tired. She doesn't have a bad day. She doesn't gossip about her other clients. She just focuses on you. Her name isn't important. What she does is. She is a pioneer in a salon chair, and people are lining up to see her work her magic. A little bit of science fiction, a little bit of everyday life. That's what makes it interesting. Put aside our fears of robot overlords for a minute. Let's get curious. How does this even work? What does she look like? Does she talk? Does she tell you your hair is too frizzy? These are the real questions? All right, let's talk about this robot. She doesn't look like a car factory machine. She looks friendly. She has a smooth, white finish. Her form is gentle, almost like a mannequin, but with much more grace. Her head can tilt. It gives her a curious, attentive look. She doesn't have a face with eyes and a mouth. Instead, she has a simple, glowing light that changes color to show she is listening. It's a nice touch. Makes her feel present, not creepy. She is designed to be reassuring. She looks like she belongs in a spa, not a science lab. Her voice is the next thing you notice. When she speaks, it's not that robotic flat tone we all know. It's warm, it's clear, it's calm. "Hello," she says. "Please have a seat. We will begin when you are ready." The voice is programmed to be soothing. It never gets loud. It never sounds impatient. It's like listening to a meditation app. This makes a huge difference. You feel like you are in capable hands. Even if those hands are made of silicone and microchips. She is a great listener, because she has to be. Now, the tools. Her hands are incredible. They are soft to the touch. They are very steady. One arm holds a comb. The other arm holds the cutting tool. The cutting tool isn't a giant pair of scissors. It's a small, shielded clipper, like a tiny, super precise beard trimmer. The blades are sharp, but protected by a guard. This guard has sensors. It can tell the difference between a strand of hair and your skin. The blades only work when they sense hair. It's a simple safety feature, but the most important one. It lets you breathe. She moves with a slow elegance. No sudden jerks, no fast, scary motions. Each movement is deliberate. Everything is done in a smooth, predictable rhythm. So, what's it like to get a haircut from her? It all starts with a simple conversation. You sit in the chair. The robot stylist glides over. She asks you what you want. How short would you like it? Would you like to keep the length in the front? You can answer with words, or you can use a small tablet to show her a picture. She then creates a 3-dimensional model of your head on the screen. She shows you what the final haircut will look like. You can tap the screen, make it shorter, add a layer. It's like a video game for your hair. You approve the final look before she even picks up a comb. Next comes the scan. This is the cool part. She uses a soft blue light to scan your entire head. It's completely harmless. This scan tells her everything she needs to know. It measures your hair's thickness. It maps the density. It sees where you have a cowlick or a tricky wave. She uses this information to create a step-by-step cutting plan. The plan is broken down into hundreds of tiny steps. Each step is a single small cut. This ensures every section of hair is cut to the exact same length. No more, oops, that side's a little shorter. Then the main event begins, the haircut. One arm lifts a small section of hair with the comb. It holds it perfectly straight. The other arm brings the shielded clipper to the end of the hair. Snip. The sound is quiet. The movement is precise. She cuts no more than a 1/4 inch at a time. She works her way around your head in a logical pattern, section by section. It's methodical. It's rhythmic. You can close your eyes and just listen to the soft hum and the gentle snips. It's surprisingly relaxing. You know there won't be any sudden surprises. The whole process is fast. A simple trim can take just 5 minutes. A more complex style might take 10. After she finishes cutting, she uses a soft air blower to gently clean your neck and shoulders. No itchy hairs down your shirt. Then, she holds up a mirror. You look. The lines are perfect. The length is exactly what you agreed to. It's clean. It's precise. It's exactly what she promised. One customer said, "I was nervous for the first 10 seconds. Then I just relaxed. It's the most perfect bob I've ever had." And you can see it on her face. She's thrilled. Let's talk more about safety, because I know that's on everyone's mind. Robot and sharp object. You get a little tense, I get it, but the safety systems here are incredible. The most important one is the shield on the cutting tool. This guard is the hero of the story. It physically blocks the blades from touching anything that isn't hair. It has micro sensors that are constantly scanning. If your finger gets too close, the blades instantly retract. If your ear gets too close, the blades instantly retract. The machine stops, not just a pause. It stops completely until a human technician resets it. There's also a big, friendly, red button, a pause button. It's right there on the arm of your chair. You can press it at any time, for any reason. If you need to sneeze, if you want to take a break, you press it, and the robot immediately freezes in place. She waits for you to press it again. This gives you total control. It's a small thing, but it's a big deal. It reminds you that you are in charge. A human supervisor is also always in the room, just in case. This double layer of safety is what allows people to relax and trust the process. The precision is something a human would have a hard time matching. A human stylist is an artist. This robot is a scientist. After the initial scan, she has a perfect map of your head. She follows that map to the millimeter. Every single snip is guided by lasers and sensors. The comb holds the hair at the exact same tension every time. The blade cuts at the exact same angle. This is why the results are so incredibly even. It's a level of consistency that is almost impossible to achieve by hand. For styles that depend on sharp, clean lines, she is unbeatable. But it's not all cold and clinical. The designers added small things to give her a human touch. She tilts her head when she listens. Her light glows a soft, warm color. She says, "We are almost finished." She says, "You are doing great." These little details are programmed, of course, but they work. They make the experience feel less like a transaction and more like a service. She can't tell a joke. She can't ask about your vacation. But she can be polite. She can be gentle. And she can make you feel cared for. In a world that is so busy, that's a nice feeling. So, what does this all mean? Is this robot coming for every hairdresser's job? No, not at all. A great human stylist is an artist, a therapist, a friend. They create, they improvise, they connect with you. This robot is not here to replace that. She is a tool, a very advanced tool, but a tool nonetheless. She is perfect for simple, precise cuts. The perfect bob, a sharp trim, an undercut. She can do these things quickly and flawlessly. This could free up human stylists to focus on the more creative parts of their job: coloring, complex styles, building relationships with clients. Think about the possibilities. This could bring haircut services to places that don't have enough stylists: hospitals, nursing homes, remote towns. A robot stylist could provide a clean, dignified haircut for someone who can't easily get to a salon. It could also be a great training tool for new hairdressers. She isn't a threat. She's a helper. She is an assistant who can handle the basics, allowing the experts to shine. It's about collaboration, not competition. In the end, it's just a haircut, but it's also a glimpse into a kinder future. She cuts hair, she keeps you safe, and she leaves you with a smile. You walk out with a perfect trim and a new perspective. Who knew a robot could make you feel so good? I love this. I love it.